And he learned to learn about his father. His father was in Hebron. He lived in Hebron. And the children were shepherds. The Ramban says why the Shvatim was shepherd. We find Abraham, Yitzchak, Yaakov, why they were shepherd? Because the shepherd is always in the field. In the field is the best place to have his boidetus. What's his boidetus? You go out, you see only heaven and earth together, and you see nature, and you have to feel Hashem. That's what Ramban explains. You go outside, you see nothing, only heaven, you don't have to do with people, so you could be with your mind with Hashem. Therefore, all the others are good. Both Yitzchak and Yaakov, and the Shvatim was shepherd. Then later on, David HaMelech. And as they are outside, they could feel Hashem more and more. Now, the children hated him. Even though Yaakov said for Joseph, go see what your brothers doing. He knew they hate him, but my father says something, I have to go. He will learn to keep it out, to respect the father. This is one of the greatest mitzvahs that all the people, everybody, we are not mechabed our parents as we have to be. The Torah Kedusha says, "Kabed esovicha v'tzamecha." You should honor your father and your mother. So Rav Nosson says, a mitzvah in the Torah, they have mitzvahs. What's with seichel? I understand with mind. Definitely, mitzvah that I understand, and they have mitzvahs that we have to believe. If Hashem said so, do it. A lot of mitzvahs, tzitzis, we know what tzitzis is. Hashem said, go with tzitzis. While I will look on the psil techeles, I will look on the blue string, then I will remind myself that this is blue, and the ocean is blue, and the sky is blue, and the Kisar Kov is blue. I remind myself of Hashem. All kind of mitzvahs, feeling what we should say, our time for the mitzvahs, I don't know. Why? We're doing it because Hashem says. But our mitzvahs, they're seichel now, my father and mother, and I have to respect them. But people wouldn't respect father and mother. This is, eventually we get it back. Whoever disrespects his father and mother, we get it back from his children. As I have to say, I'm always saying, because it's a very hard mitzvah. Because a child says, I'm smarter than my father, I'm smarter than my mother. But the Shem said you should respect your father and mother. Now this is a mitzvah that nobody could understand till he will be a father and a mother. You cannot understand that. When you're single, why I have to listen to my father? It's old-fashioned, you don't know. Anything, whatever you say. Don't smoke. I would smoke. I said, you smoke, you get cancer. If I get cancer, my grandfather was so smoking, he lived 96 years. His finger was already brown. His mustache was brown. And he lived, but they live. He lived, but you know, doctor says if you smoke, you will have lung cancer. No, God forbid you get it. You cannot get out from this. No such a thing. I know better. God forbid the person gets it. You were so smart, you knew. It's too late. Till a person has no children, he wouldn't understand what's the meaning of respecting a father and a mother. Can. I'm smarter, he don't know. Once you marry, you start to suffer with the children. They're getting up, they need a bottle, they need a diaper, you don't let them sleep, and even though you wouldn't understand, you grade up, and they start to have problems in Talmud Torah, in Yeshiva, they call you up, and I want to send away your boys, one of your girls, they're disturbing the class, and the PTA, your son, my daughter, wow, X's, zeros, and later on, or the teenagers, then you start to think, if you're smart, wow, means my parents went through with me what I'm going now through with my child. Then you will start to say, why didn't I respect my father and my mother? This is everybody, we all in the same boat, all did the same thing. But to respect a father and mother is not because my seichel brings me, because it says in the nations, when the father and mother are old, like in China, very old, you kill them. Why? Why they should suffer? How could they kill your father and mother? No, why they should suffer and permit it? This is my seichel, the stupid seichel, father and mother. Well, they suffer. Still, it's father and mother. Still, Hashem gives them life. Let them help them. Medicine. This is, by the way, the whole argument what they have now to socialized medicine. You come to the age, they will say you're not eligible, you're already too old, and quite so, most of all the people are against that. He's not Russian. That's the law, that's the law. His Baruch Hashem was all the years, was freedom. No, the person worked all his life at work. Why? Because I'm 70, 75, 80, I would not be eligible already to help because the doctor says, no, you're already old. It's the whole argument what they have now. But they got it true. The seichel from a person, no, they're too old already. Society wouldn't have no use for them. Let them go. This is the seichel from a person. If we will take a mitzvah, because our seichel says, God forbid, I have such a crooked seichel, look what happens. We're doing it even against our seichel, because Hashem said so. You should respect your father and mother. Now, Yosef HaTzadik knew his brother hated him, but even though his father told him, go see what your brother's doing, went away far to Shechem, and he went. Now he came and found his brothers, Shimon and Levi was so great. Special Levi, when him comes out, Moshe Rabbeinu, HaKoyen. Imagine Levi, Shimon and Levi, here they say, here's the boy that was dreaming. So he dreamed a dream, I will be king. So what? Because of that, let's go and kill him. Let's go kill him. Who will gave it? Going to kill him. Why? Why? Why he dreamed that he will be a king and everybody will bow to him? I had a good dream. If I dream that I'm a millionaire, so you're going to kill me for that, to be jealous of it? I had a good dream too. I wish you have every night such a good dream. A personal dream, the Gemara said over the Melech, not he suffered so much of the Melech, suffered in his lifetime, but nobody suffered. But even one night he never had a good dream. 70 years a week, one time he didn't have even a dream. Let me at least, going to sleep, I have all kind of troubles he had, and his brothers, and his wife, and his children, all kind of people. And at least, I'm going to sleep, let me have a good dream. That, even one good dream he didn't have in 70 years. So, because he dreamed a dream, here we see three things they had about us. And this is a curse that we all have. Therefore, we all have problems. All of us. Nobody is clean to that. Jealousy. Jealousy is a killer. All the troubles that a person has in his life is jealousy, killing.